Let's do a quesabirria tacos mukbang. Of course, I couldn't forget the consomme. Let's do a taste test first. Look at these tacos, y'all. Actually, some of the best quesabirria tacos I've had in a long time. Let's try this chile and see if it's hot. Look at the crispiness of the cheese on that taco, y'all. Ooh. I dunk every single bite, as you should. Let's try it with the chile, why not? I'm definitely feeling the spice now. Probably one of the worst ideas to film in my car today, but it's worth it. I have some leftover Jack in the Box I want to try this with. Little curly fry. And a nugget. I think this just tastes good with everything. Take this as your sign to get some Mexican food. Alrighty guys, see you in the next video.